Well, some people dread doctor's visits because it can be hard to get an appointment that's convenient. Southwest Medical has implemented some new technology that's improving healthcare access for Southern Nevadans. Joining us now with more on that is Dr. Lo Fu Tan, the Director of On-Demand Medicine for Southwest Medical. Dr. Tan, thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
It is fascinating what technology can do when it comes to healthcare, because you have some things, including the Now Clinic, that really make a difference when it comes to having access to a doctor.
So access in Southern Nevada has always been a challenge for patients, and we've tried to use technology to overcome some of those issues. And Now Clinic is our virtual platform where patients can get audiovisual visits with Southwest Medical providers 24/7 and without an appointment.
I love that idea, because that means you can stay at home or at work and you don't have to sit in a waiting room for a long time. It is much more convenient. Obviously, there are some cases where that wouldn't be possible, but this solves a lot of problems for people who just want to ask a doctor a question.
Right, so it solves a lot of problems, as you mentioned, about access and transportation and taking time off work and looking after family. Mm-hmm. It's also perfect for minor conditions like coughs and colds and mild flus and urinary tract infections. We can take pictures of skin rashes and look at them very well on this medium as well.
Are the doctors then able to write a prescription based on that video visit?
Correct. They all have access to the patient's medical record, and they can do referrals and prescriptions and order tests as well.
That's fantastic. You also have some text alerts.
Correct. So patients can sign up for texts through just by texting SMA text, and then we also have an app that patients can use where there's 24-hour access to a portal. There's a whole bunch of functions on that patients can use, including scheduling, changing visits, getting medication refills. We do a lot of e-visits with patients as well.
So this is around-the-clock access that people have.
Correct. And so the goal is to allow patients easy access to care. And of course, we want it to be appropriate and the right kind of care. But most of the time with minor conditions, and as you said, just being able to contact the provider, it's just great for patients.
How does this work with insurance plans?
For our insurance, it's all covered, and the co-pays are much less than if you went into an office visit or into, say, an urgent care or an emergency medicine visit as well.
So great. Tell people where they can go if they want to learn more about this.
Well, you can, as I said, get on our website. It's smalv.com, and the patient portal is called My SMA Health Online.
Dr. Lo Fu Tan, thank you so much for joining us today. Great access to medical care via technology.
Great, thank you.
Appreciate it. There are locations across Southern Nevada for Southwest Medical Associates if you want to go in person. If you want more information, just give that phone number a call on your screen, 877-5199, or as Dr. Tan said, the website, smalv.com. And we'd like to thank Southwest Medical Associates for being one of our Community Pride partners.